HTML colors. HTML colors are specified with predefined color names or with RGB, hexadecimal, HSLA or RGB format. So the color names can be specified by using specific color names like orange, blue, green, gray, slate blue, violet, light gray. And HTML supports approximate 140 standard color names. So here we have given an example of how we can use the color names in HTML codes. So this first line of code, you can see it is simply a color name we have used. So first of all, we have introduced a style equal to background color, and the value of this color we put it yellow. So this will be the normal text, it will be shown, and the background of this line, it will be in yellow color. I will show you here. I have done a little code here, so you can see HTML color, this color name is yellow, so this line color is yellow. So in simple English, let's say we will type here color red. So we will test it. So if I will save this code and I will execute same line, so see the color, this line is changed to red color. So these are the color names. So approximate 140 standard color names HTML is supporting. The next is RGB. RGB stands for red, green and blue. So we can use RGB proportion or color ranges to define the color. So we can use the range of R, red, that is starting from 0 and the maximum value could be 255. So same like green, so it could be also 0 to 255, and same blue, it could be 0 to 255. So in we have introduced a new line, P style background color RGB. So this is the R value, this is the G value, and this is B value, blue. So if we will execute this code, so you will see what will happen. See RGB. So this is the background color that has been produced because of this RGB and these values. So in case we are going to change some value here, for example, I will change here 199 and let's say 171. So after saving this piece of code, and I will execute this code again by refreshing this page in browser, you will see this background color has been changed. So hope you understand this RGB. Same way we can explain HSLA. HSLA stands for hue, saturation, illumination and alpha. So these four values we can use in HSLA function that will produce some color shade. So this is a code style. This is a simple style sheet we are implementing on a P tag background color HSLA. This is a function name, and then in the function we will put four values for H, hue, so this is the base color, then saturation, it is maximum 100%, so illumination, it will be 50%, half, and alpha. Alpha means from either it is a transparent or opaque. So we are saying it is half transparent and half opaque. So the minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 1. So once we will execute this code, you will see how it is working. See, this is HSLA. So this is the background color. So in case I am going to change some value here, for example, if I will change here 50% and I will make it 100%, and then I will save this code, then you can see it became totally white. So in case I will change to 30% and I will make it 90%, and then I will change this figure to 4. Okay, if I will save this code and I will execute this code again, you will see the color again, it has been changed. So through HSLA you can, same like RGB, you can control the color or the shade. So there is another way you can display or control a color through HTML, that is called hexadecimal codes. So same like a hexadecimal system, that is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, then A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so we can put 6 numbers starting from a number sign, hash sign, then starting from 0 or whatever you can define as per your own convenience. That could be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F till F. That is called hexadecimal. So I have put it 0, 0, 0, C, C, C. So combination of this one, it will show hexadecimal color background. So if I save this code and I will execute this code, so you can see it produced blue background color. Hope you have understand this lesson. So in this lesson we have explained about HTML codes, that is we can represent the colors in 4 ways in our HTML code. That is, number 1, color names, simple color names like we are writing in English, then RGB, or we can put also RGBA, red, green, blue, alpha, and same HSL or HSLA, then hexadecimal code.